The question I got asked is, how do I add a phone number to my LinkedIn account? Now that is different than adding a phone number to your LinkedIn profile. Let me show you what I mean. If I go look at my profile, you go right here under contact information, you can see I have a phone number right here. That's my business phone number. It's not my cell phone number, it's my business phone number, and I publish that all over the place. However, that's my public phone number on my LinkedIn profile. The question is about how to add a phone number to your LinkedIn account. So I go to settings and privacy. And under settings and privacy, you go to sign in and security. Well, here's phone numbers right here. So I click on that. So I'm hiding my cell phone number from you. You don't need to know that. But you can see that it is my primary phone number on my LinkedIn account. It's not the same as the public phone number. And you can see down below I have my Google Voice number, which I've also added that. It is not the primary, but both of them can be used for resetting my password. So how do I add a third phone number? Let me show you how you do this. You click on Add Phone Number. Now it's going to want to know that you are who you say you are. So it sent a code to my email. I got to go get that code. Give me a second. Here it is right here. I'm going to click that number and copy it and go back to LinkedIn phone numbers. Put that code in there. Now it wants to know what phone number I want to add. Let me add the phone number. This one right here. It wants to know what country, and I need to put my password in there because it wants to, again, verify I am who I say I am. Let me get my LinkedIn password. I got my password. I'm going to send the code to the phone. Now, it sent the 6-digit code to the phone. Let me go get that. It's a Google Voice. It's on another account. Give me a second. There's the new code. Verify. Boom. Now I've added a new phone number to my LinkedIn account. Remember, this is to the account, not to the profile. So I have this new number I've added. I have my primary, which is my cell phone number that I'm not displaying. And then I have my Google Voice number. That is how the steps that you use to add a new phone number to your LinkedIn account. Now, why is this important? If you are preparing to make a switch to a new phone number, I strongly encourage you to get the new phone number before you get rid of the old phone number so that you can manage your two-factor authentication conversion. You can manage your backup phone recovery steps. So it might be on your LinkedIn account or your Google account. And you can manage whatever other security features you have associated with that current phone number and move them to the new phone number again before you get rid of the old phone number. And furthermore, as you can see, I can turn on or turn off using a phone for resetting a password if I want to make that change. I'm Teddy, a LinkedIn strategist, trainer, and coach. I hope this information about how to add a new phone number to your LinkedIn account is useful for you.